welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, please keep watching. So I apologize, I have 27 minutes of filming, so let's get started. Also, new hair, hope you like it. We're gonna start off with the L'Oreal, what is this even, Color Reach lipstick in the shade Spice. And I hate not having lips, like having teeny tiny non-existent lips. It's as good as it's gonna get. I don't have time. Like, we deleted like 2 videos that were probably like 40 something minutes and I only have 27 minutes filming time. Explain that. Anyway, this is the ColourPop Eyeshadow Secrets palette. When I first saw this, my first thought was Glamlight Chucky palette. Right? Is this not almost the same palette? I love my Chucky palette. I don't know where it is, nor do I have time to show it to you, even if I did know where it is, because I have to get going. I only have 27 minutes filming time. So, you guys, let's see how this goes. How are you doing? How's life? Let me know all the things. So we're going to start off with the shade Trigger Warning. I feel like that is good for right now. Yeah, we're going to do the same look on both eyes because I don't have time to do anything else. And I've really got to go fast, so hopefully this turns out okay. Also woke up full-blown migraine status. One of the worst migraines that I've had. It has been a while since I've had one, so yeah, not great, not great. Took some Excedrin migraine, drank some caffeine. Feeling not great, but able to do a video kind of. I am noticing my vision is quite blurry right now. All right. So again, this is just a super quick look, you guys. I don't have time to do much of anything else with the short amount of filming time that I have. So now let's go in just to deepen a little bit. Let's go with the shade Claimed right here. Also, this is like a day 2 hair, because when you get your hair dyed red, you're supposed to wait a couple days before you wash it. I'm usually a wash every night kind of girly, so I'm going to try my best to see if I can get away with only washing like 3 or 4 days a week. And for me, that's going to be huge, so we'll see how it goes. All right, my vision, holy crap. I didn't realize how blurry it was until I am like trying to do makeup. And I cannot see ish. Literally cannot see. I can't. Oh, buddy. Okay, hopefully this is looking okay. I'm just going to take that shade and just gently put it on the lower lash line. Now, we're going to take, I just want like a smoky look. So, I'm going to go with the shade Shadow Daddy right here. And we're just going to put that on the outer portion of the lid. Hopefully this does not get all over my face. All right. Now, god damn it. Sorry. Last time when I filmed, I lost my glitter glue and I had to go get my spare one. And for some reason, it's not where I normally put it. I thought I lost it again. I was like about to crash out there. Take some glitter glue, just a smidge. It's like really cold. So I feel like this one is like dang near frozen. Like, how even? I mean, it is cold. It like got really warm and it was nice, and then it got cold again. Welcome to the Midwest. Like, you never know what you're gonna get. You're either freezing or like burning up. There's never like an in-between. All right. Now, I just realized 2 of these shades are like glittery shades. You know what? Let's go with Wingspan right here. It's like a glittery shade, but it's darker, and I'm just kind of feeling it right now. Hopefully that is not a bad choice. All right, that is very, very pretty. It is the kind of like glitter that has like the gel with it, so it smooths out beautifully and should stay well. Really, really pretty. I like that a lot. Alright. Oh, dang it. I could feel some clumping onto my face. Like crashing down, crumbling when I did that eye. So. Not great, but I've done worse, so it's cool. It's fine, it's fine. Everything's fine. Okay, I do want to take... Let's take the shade Romantasy, and I just kind of like want to put that in the center of the eye. All right. I do really, really, really like this. I need to go in with like a little bit of a lower inner corner highlight. Sorry, I'm having trouble getting this open. Let's go with the shade FMC right here. All right. Eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, if you know, you know. Also, Glam Light. If by some weird reason you see this, bring this back, please. Thank you. Okay, you guys. So I'm back. This is like the fastest look ever. We're at like 14 minutes and 10 seconds, and that's with me taking time to do my eyeliner and mascara. So let's do a final look. All right. Yeah, so I really like this. I am loving the hair. This is the ColourPop A Shadow of Secrets palette. And it, again, you guys, does this remind you of Glam Light Chucky? Because, like, this is what it made me think of when I first opened it up. And I saw it in person. I was like, that's very similar to Glam Light Chucky. I need to find that palette. It's somewhere. I've done several videos with it on my channel. So if you just search, like, Outraging Grace Glam Light Chucky palette, it hopefully will, like, come up. So that is it, you guys. I have got to run. Remember, you are beautiful, loved, and amazing. Do me a favor, give us a thumbs up, comment anything down below. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. I'll see you on the next one.